Welcome everyone to another Meditate with me. Today I'm recording from a summer house in Sweden where we are spending some days off. I hear little natural sounds in the background, but I'm not sure the microphone will pick them up. I might add these for you later. This is sounds of birds, of the wind. It's not that much of it. Some sounds of bees buzzing by. It's very nice to be able to sit in nature to meditate. It's quite a different experience from the usual one when I sit in my room. I'm able to engage all the senses, smell the woods surrounding me, feel the breeze on my skin, see the sights, the green of the grass and the trees, hear the birds and other natural sounds. So whenever I have opportunity to meditate in nature, I do so. And I hope you will enjoy just spending some minutes with me, simply meditating on the breath, just enjoying our natural breathing and enjoying the green environment. As always, I invite you to find a comfortable space. Whenever you prefer, whatever you prefer, you can sit or lie down. Relax the body. And take a deep breath to settle in. Maybe another one. And just feeling the feet or the body touching the surface you're on, feeling grounded, feeling safe and secure. And letting the body be as relaxed as possible. For a moment, you don't have to go anywhere or be anywhere. You don't have to do anything. You can just be in this moment and relax and rest with the breath. And let your breath return to natural pace. And simply pay attention to it for a moment without trying to control it, without changing it. Let it be natural. Alternatively, you can simply listen to the sounds or pay attention to sensations in your body, maybe in the feet or hands. Just letting the mind settle, letting the body relax, resting in the simple sensation of breathing or of touch, sound. Whenever your mind gets distracted by a thought or something in the environment, just kindly bring the attention back to the breath and simple sensations of present moment. Letting everything else melt into the background. It's just you and your breath, your body sensation. For this moment in time, nothing else exists. Now, if you wish to continue the meditation, simply pause or stop this recording. Or if you wish to return to your surroundings, gently open the eye or look around. If you are in a natural environment like I am, you might see a lot of things and be distracted by many things during the meditation, and that's okay. You can still stay present and rest. I hope you enjoyed this short meditate with me in nature, and I hope to see you again on my channel next time. I am very distracted by all of the different insects and butterflies and birds and noises around me. Thank you. for joining me. Have a wonderful rest of summer and see you again soon. Bye bye.